Today in this video we're going to look at the best vacuum pumps on the market. If you're interested in any of the products we talk about today, you can find the links down in the description below. So, without further ado, let's get started. Number 5. Vivo Home Air Vacuum Pump. Tackle your AC and refrigeration projects like a pro with a tool that combines performance, convenience, and durability. This vacuum pump is perfect for DIYers and professionals alike, offering the reliability you need to diagnose and recharge air conditioning systems efficiently. Lightweight yet rugged, thanks to its die-cast aluminum housing and anti-slip rubber base. This tool ensures you can confidently remove moisture and prep your system for refrigerant refills with ease. Whether you're maintaining your car's AC or handling HVAC tasks, it's designed to make your job smoother and faster. Comfort is key, and this pump delivers with an ergonomic grip handle for easy portability and a built-in high-volume cooling fan for extended operation without overheating. Keeping track of maintenance is a breeze with its oil sight glass, which shows you oil levels and quality at a glance, while the drain valve allows quick, mess-free oil changes. It even includes a 0.35 quarts bottle of vacuum oil to get you started right out of the box. When precision counts, the included manifold gauge set has you covered. Its large viewing glasses let you clearly observe refrigerant flow, and the high-quality color-coded pressure gauges ensure accurate readings. Paired with durable, leak-proof color-coded hoses, it's compatible with multiple refrigerants like R134A, R12, R22, R502, and R410A, making it a versatile choice for various systems. Number 4. Extreme Power US Vacuum Pump. Transform your AC and refrigeration projects into stress-free, efficient tasks with a tool designed to deliver power, durability, and ease of use. Whether you're tackling automotive air conditioning or HVAC maintenance, this vacuum pump is built to make every step simpler. With high efficiency and low noise output, you can enjoy a seamless experience, even during extended use, thanks to its internal high-volume cooling fan. Say goodbye to complicated setups and hello to a practical solution that works hard so you don't have to. Constructed with a die-cast aluminum alloy casing, this pump is lightweight yet tough enough to handle demanding tasks. It comes equipped with brass-fitting tethered safety caps, preventing messy oil leaks during transport or handling, so you can focus on the job at hand. Designed for R12, R22, R134A, and R410A refrigerants, the included HVAC service gauge set lets you diagnose and repair AC systems with pinpoint accuracy. Paired with color-coded 36 inches hoses, this set ensures you'll always have the right tools at your fingertips. The package includes everything you need to get started: a manifold gauge, multicolored hoses, an R134 can tap, a bottle of vacuum pump oil, and a storage bag to keep your tools organized and dust-free. Whether you're a seasoned technician or a hands-on DIYer, this vacuum pump is the reliable partner you need to complete your projects with confidence and ease. Number 3. Zeni 3.5 CFM Vacuum Pump. Take your AC and refrigeration tasks to the next level with a reliable, efficient tool designed to make your work easier and more precise. Whether you're a DIY enthusiast or a professional, this vacuum pump combines high performance with user-friendly features, ensuring that every project is completed effortlessly. Built for durability and efficiency, it operates with low noise and boasts a heavy-duty aluminum alloy casing, so you can count on it for long-term use without compromise. This pump is all about convenience. The direct drive motor allows for easy starting and is maintenance-free, making it perfect for anyone looking to save time and hassle. A built-in thermal protection feature safeguards the machine from overheating, ensuring extended life and consistent performance. Plus, its smart design includes a large heat dissipation window for fast cooling, keeping the pump running efficiently even during prolonged use. Monitoring and maintenance are simple with the integrated oil sight glass, which lets you easily check oil levels, and the strategically positioned oil drain plug at the reservoir's base for quick, clean oil changes. The cushioned non-slip handle ensures comfortable handling, while the on-off switch adds to the pump's ease of use. The package includes everything you need to get started, from a bottle of vacuum oil to durable hoses compatible with standard manifold gauge sizes. Ideal for various applications, including automotive AC, HVAC systems, and refrigeration work. This vacuum pump is designed to make even the most complex jobs straightforward. With its thoughtful features and robust build, it's a tool you'll be glad to have in your arsenal. Number 2. Orion Motortech Vacuum Pump. When it comes to efficient and hassle-free HVAC servicing, you need a tool that delivers power, reliability, and convenience all in one. Whether you're tackling automotive AC repairs or other vacuum-related projects, this vacuum pump is designed to get the job done quickly and effectively. With a robust 1/3 HP all-copper motor and a 4.5 CFM flow rate, it effortlessly pulls systems down to 37.5 microns, 5 pascals, ensuring a fast, thorough service for AC systems using refrigerants like R12, R22, R134A, R410A, and R502. Durability and safety are built into every detail. Its reinforced aluminum alloy casing resists corrosion and efficiently dissipates heat for long-lasting performance, while an intake filter and trap keep impurities and oil mist from compromising functionality. The thoughtful design extends to its user-friendly features, including an oil reservoir with a sight glass and scale for easy monitoring and timely refills, ensuring smooth and uninterrupted operation. Portability is never a problem with its non-slip handle, allowing you to transport and store it effortlessly between tasks. This vacuum pump is compatible with 1/4, 1/2, and 3/8 hoses, making it versatile for a wide range of applications beyond HVAC work, including vacuum packaging, wine degassing, and thermoforming. Everything you need is included in the package, from lubricating and absorptive oil to ensure seamless operation, to Teflon tape for secure threaded connections, and even a pair of gloves to simplify oil refills. Whether you're a professional technician or a DIY enthusiast, this vacuum pump brings efficiency, reliability, and convenience to your projects, making it an essential tool you'll love to have on hand. Number 1. Beaver 3.5 CFM Vacuum Pump. Tackle your refrigeration and HVAC projects with ease using a tool built for power, durability, and efficiency. Whether you're a professional technician or a hands-on DIY enthusiast, this vacuum pump delivers exceptional performance that won't let you down. With a high torque, pure copper motor and a flow rate of 3.5 CFM, it ensures fast, reliable operation, reaching an ultimate vacuum of 40 microns. Designed for versatility, it's compatible with common refrigerants like R22, R134A, and R410A, making it perfect for a variety of tasks, from HVAC repairs to resin degassing and wood stabilization.